Thank you for taking the time to view my listing. Mom's house is now empty and ready for your family to once again fill it with love. Simple living inside city limits. Metal roof installed in 2019. Original 1960s, tongue and groove hardwood floors, natural gas heat and window unit AC. Tucked into the side of the mountain with branch running off the mountain, through property. Frequent deer sightings. Grandma's house, second home, is not salvageable but has utilities. Pretty yard and established garden. Huge oak trees. All on dead end road. 2 parcels,